Well, in North Bay, first responders in that city are getting some first-hand training on how to communicate with patients or victims who are autistic. CTV's Courtney Heels tells us more about what they're learning and why.
A person may have the information you need, but they may be difficult to understand. What's your address?
Autism affects the way a person speaks, socializes, and makes decisions. But as a spectrum disorder, it affects everyone differently.
There are people with autism who have IQs that are below 25. There are people with autism whose IQs are above 150, and everything in between. A real common point of contact would be the child or adult with autism who needs a care provider in order to be in the community.
And sometimes if an autistic person wanders away from their caretaker, an emergency situation can quickly arise. Dennis Debbaudt travels across the continent, teaching law enforcement and other first responders how to handle these situations.
It's all about being proactive. I don't want to wait until the heat of the moment of a field interaction to start educating a law enforcement about autism. If we do it beforehand, and then we prepare our families so they can disclose. The key is disclosure.
And disclosing the common behavior will help professionals identify the disorder.
It manifests itself in several ways. People with autism, they have a lot of repetitive behaviors, a lot of hand flapping, a lot of anxiety. They often don't look people in the eye. They have problems making eye contact. They don't understand social conventions, so which can often get them into some trouble.
Research shows that people with disabilities like autism will deal with police 7 times more than the general public. Preparing officers to recognize the characteristics may help future encounters run smoothly and safely for all involved. Courtney Heels, CTV News, North Bay.